Hi everybody, this is Kani and welcome to Reclaimed Treasures. Today we're gonna redo the last box there. I got all these boxes from Goodwill some time ago. I'm using Bonding Boss by Dixie Belle because the box had a very sleek surface. I scuff sand it and I put 2 coats of Bonding Boss. Then I put 2 coats of Drop Cloth by Dixie Belle. I used Blossom and Sparrow's Nest molds from IOD to create a scene. I wanted the one bird to fly away and the one to be right next to the nest. I put the nest on the branch and I cut a slit right there. I pulled half of the nest out and I stuffed it with a little more clay because I wanted to nest the eggs inside and I wanted to have a 3-dimensional look for it. I kept adding flowers and all around to make it look like it is on the tree. And I painted everything, of course, with the same drop cloth color. Then I started using Paint Couture's Amber Honey Glaze, and I put it all over. And I wiped everything back until I achieved the desirable look. Here you can see the 3 stages. I was spraying with my mister to make it go all over the place because it is a water soluble glaze. I used ballet slippers for the flowers by Waverly, and I used Summer Porch by Folk Art for the yellow center of the flowers. I used Moss for the leaves by Waverly. And I used Van Dyke Brown Glaze by Paint Couture for the branches. When everything was dry, I dry brushed white paint on top of everything. And I also on the birds. And I put some gold by Dixie Belle as well. The front looked kind of plain, so I added another branch coming down. And until that was dry, I added the legs. For the sky, I used the Pool by Waverly, watered down paint, and I dabbed the excess so it doesn't look very obvious, just to have a hint of that blue. I also used gold gilding wax on the legs to brighten them up a little bit. I forgot to mention I created the eggs by air dry clay. All my air dry clay is from Das company. I like that clay, soft. I used the gold gilding wax to accent everything else on the all over, and I put with my finger gold all over the flowers and the birds, and you can see it on the pictures, but very lightly I brushed everything with gold. Well, I hope you like it, and if you do, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me a message. I'm gonna put all the materials I used in the description below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, y'all have a great day. Stay warm and safe. Bye-bye.